we're going to demonstrate now how we combine a variety of functions in Haskell. So let's really look at list processing functions is going to be our main focus, but really we're going to be combining all sorts of functions in this case. So let's have a look at head now to begin with. So we'll do this 5, and what we'll do, so we know what this does. It returns the first value in our list. Now if we can apply then even to it as well, so we can determine whether that value in our first value in our list was even or odd. So if we do that now, so we've combined two functions here. We've combined head, which is a list processing function, with even, and now we can do that, and that return us true. So let's have a look at another combination of functions. Let's do tail now on our list. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and if we now do something like this, we do tail, and then if we do head, run this, try and predict what this does, and then let's run it. So what this will do, it'll return the second item in our list. So what it does, it takes the tail, which takes everything except for the head value, the first value, but then it takes the head of that list, which is then 3, because we removed the 2 when we apply tail. What we can do then, we can again do other things. We can use so far we've used combining two functions. We can combine any number of functions really. So let's try this. Let's try this setup here. So we've got tail, and we're going to do 3, 4, and then to make sure we've got the right number of brackets in. And again, is null going to return us true or false? Let's have a look. So that's going to return true, yes, because every time we've applied tail, we've removed a value, and we've applied it twice, and there's 2 values in the list, so therefore there's now no values left in our list, so therefore null is now true. So yeah, we can really do a whole variety of combinations. Let's do a couple more just for good measure. So we've got reverse here, so this reverses our function of our list, sorry, to 7. So it's reverse function that reverses our values in our list, and then we can again apply things to that as well. If we do head, so this taken together will actually take the last value in our list. So we can do all sorts of things in different ways of combining these functions together. The last one I'll do now, just for good measure. So we can do odd 3 times, and then we'll do head, and then we'll apply it to tail, and then we'll apply it to 2, 3, and 4. And again, just make sure we've got the right number of brackets there. So what this will do, take the tail. So let's try and think this through. So it'll take the tail of this. So that'll return a list with just 3 and 4 in. It'll take the head of that list, which is 3, and then multiply it by 3. So therefore that'll give us 9. So therefore this is going to return us true. Let's just test that that's the case. So you can see that's there. So you can see how we're combining lots of functions together in a really interesting way, and we can create much more complex functions by putting simple functions and combining them together.